green, this very decent dress. Eh? For me, I have the courage to say that this color is giving me a very decent impression for a reason not of that color, for a reason that they have rocked today's competition. And let me tell you that for you, it may merely be a day when a certain portfolio may be carried. But for us, for everybody, whosoever was involved in assessing your aptitude related to the subject, for us, your presence in itself may be able to cast an impression that you are the one who are playing a key role in disseminating this information to the entire school, that the maths subject, which a good number of children always keeps a phobia for the subject. You people are the one who can really tell them that please start learning it. Yeah, it's so good. Eh? So please keep on telling those hated ones, those who always dream very bad for the maths. Of course, you are a maths teacher also, right? So through you, what I want is that start telling that it's not as scary as it looks like. Tell them how you able to revamp, how you able to start behaving in that manner, and that's why you are sitting here. So the questions whatsoever you people have not answered, I'm sure that that may be the best part of today's inception of knowledge, because the ultimate objective is how can we expand the knowledge of what we already have within us, and through this experience, I must say that a few of the children who are not a part of that morning show, in the morning we are conducting a special class for what called Olympiad, what we name it as, Olympiad? Yes. So I would suggest that even these children can also, like Google is there, some of the children who are really doing calculation at such a rapid pace, that was such a good sight to see here. And the purpose of conducting this competition, we are very happy to see that we succeeded in that overall mission. So I congratulate the entire team whosoever has helped us in maintaining it. I have my words of compliment to both the house coordinator and deputy house coordinator and the HOS man for really playing so fair. And the correction of the questions will also, I think, that deserves what called a special attention, right? Though we were having a good range of questions, very easy to very tricky also. Though I didn't able to attend, I was very much willing to see the figure-based questions, but I didn't able to see that. But maths is a subject because the more you enter, the more you will be liking it, it will start challenging you, right? And that is the best part of that. So there is no saturation point. The moment you score 100 out of 100, that is not the final slot where you can rest and can say that yes, my job is finished. Once you achieve 100, then the actual thing starts coming for you. And that is why we are making these children to realize that, because alighting on a certain landmark in any subject, that cannot be something where we need to feel ourselves accomplished, but rather from there only be able to start inventing and discovering that there is plenty to still uncover. So some of the children whose faces are a little down with some syndromes, I must say, don't feel bad, because I think you are the best learner of that, because they answered 85%. Suppose if you didn't answer, would you have taken this Interhouse competition? Through this, I'm confident enough that we will be trying to become a better host for inter-school championship. And with all these ideas, and of course there may be certain grey areas, so this particular experience will of course be helping us to organize that whole show in a way so that, but I am equally surprised that the actual one who is holding on this podium is a medical child. The one who asked all the questions, you know, medical stuff, yes, not a maths child. So I could have wished some maths child, because the way, though she is very good in pronunciation, everything is so good, she holds on a very prestigious position. But I was wanting that maths child should have taken that key role in doing that. Some of the volunteers have also seen some of the donations which have been done by behind the screen. I suggest that had it been the volunteers or even these children would have also done that. So let that leadership feel need to come among new people also. We want to rest, we want just to see how the things happen. We want you to take that feel that yes, it is your vision, it is your way of administering all the resources here, and that has been used with a lot of wisdom. By the way, I would also like to see that if you can maintain some sort of very special notebook of all the subjects, not only maths, because sometimes we get a very key learning and we really want to grab it, but when it is actually needed, we can only blame, we can only have our heart to our brain, but ultimately nothing will be coming out of it. So I always wish that you people, that's why it is suggested to keep a diary, very small diary. At any moment, whenever something good strikes to you, you just need to note it. It's not only mere a new knowledge, but rather a problem. You wish you should ask problem. But when I say, please ask a problem, you will be blank. Reason is, there were so many problems which may be coming, but it washes through our memory also. So I think the lessons may be in good numbers, and probably in the times to come. But I see most of you are already good in so many things, not only maths. Why don't you give chance to rest of the other house members of your houses also? Other for everything you will come. I think even for the sports also you will be there. Huh? How many of you are going to hoist the flag of your house sports events also? So many. So those who are good, they are good in so many things. Those who are not good, they are not good in so many things. Why is it like that? Can you answer it? Why there are certain children like you people? You people can keep in yourself, you are good in arts, you are good in this, you are good in English, you are good in spoken, you are good in public speaking, you are good in maths, you are good in arts, you are good in helping your teachers also. And there are certain children who are not. Reason is that they are also equipped with the same artistic or that same skill. The only thing is that they don't believe in it. And that belief factor must be injected, must be infused from outside, from you. So if I can expect that your own classmates, for whom you may be loving also, do you love your classmates or not? Huh?
I like all my classmates.
So I will really be able to understand and really believe what you said, provided you make everybody as good as you are.
If everybody tries to learn, everybody has their own abilities. Nobody is perfect. But
Correct.
everybody can harness the capabilities of others.
Correct. The harnessing, you need to provide that artillery, where they can flow themselves inside and can really see the fertility, what they are actually encased by the God. This is what please do. Competition is not like to keep our knowledge a little bit confined or restricted. Knowledge is all about sharing. The more you will share, you will feel that you are a different sort of child. You will feel yourself very, and of course, confident in a different scale. So my utmost gratitude to everybody who has helped us in making this whole event so fruitful. And please start loving maths. You all are maths lovers. Tea lovers or maths lovers?
So my favorite subject is maths. Even my grandpa is a maths teacher. My nana is a maths teacher.
Then be the full form of maths then.
Mathematics.
No? Some of your own invention, like you are making the full form of your own names, right? Same way, try to create your own best mathematical application of this word maths. This is the task I am giving it to you, and please, I will be very happy to award, or we can think of giving a very special appreciation to a child who may be having a stock of the questions. And when I see the questions, I should love it. Like, oh my God, Maza Aage, I don't know even a single one.
Mental aptitude to human self-consciousness.
Very good. So, is it clear? And this is what I wish. When you study, when your teacher teaches you, you should carry a very good friend of yours in form of a pen and a diary, where you jot down what what you really want to know, but because teachers are becoming the only source of letting you know that what else you need to know. But what else, the moment you feel like going up and you don't stock it in form of the notes, then at times when you want to really go forward with that, you again blame your legal If you really want to really prosper in the life, please start applying this very simplest of the thing. Very simplest of the thing. What a teacher teaches, don't write that. What a teacher teaches, and on the basis of that, you feel like going ahead of that. That is what you are supposed to write. Is it clear? So please draft a note of what I said. What do you call this, notice, or what do you call that?
Sir,
Notice?
I told you the full form.
Hey, parents, just let me finish what I'm saying. What does it come in? Like notice? What does it come in? Notice.
Typically note to parents.
No, in English we call it something. Diary entry. That is called diary entry, no? Diary entry means the main things what you feel like remembering. That is what the meaning of diary entry is. Now speak, Google.
Typically, I told you the full form also of maths, mental aptitude to human self-consciousness.
Why? You made it just now.
Yes, sir.
Look, that's why for me the Google. Great. So please leave this boundary. You need not restrict to only this abbreviation. Rather, there are plenty to unveil. So thank you for calling me here. And do you want this whole thing to be provided to you, suppose? Or can you give it? Because that is what the team can think of. Suppose you want the entire question lot to be given to you. Then if they agree to that, they can forward it. So that you can open at your own comfort and you can see where it was took up from your side. Yeah?
Sir,
Huh?
because mental aptitude is the most important part of mathematics.
I know that sometimes it happens that the God favors. And those who really go very hard in the morning, maybe enticing the God, God, please help me, I have something very secret to offer. So God also feels, okay, I will be there with you. You just go on randomly, go for B, wherever you don't know. B, write B. And you say B, and yes, the shade also comes to the B. Sometimes your destiny also favors. Is it like that? To honesty house? Huh? Honesty house, is it your destiny which has brought you at this place?
The knowledge.
Not all the questions you spoke, that was a full on the basis of the knowledge. No, honesty is not showing that honesty right now.